Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply connect the Yunzii keyboard Bluetooth to basically any devices that's using a Bluetooth connection. So all you want to do is to go ahead and look for the Bluetooth connectivity. Basically there's multiple connection modes, something like Bluetooth connection, or most commonly the 2.0 gigahertz connection. So most likely there's going to be a switch or a toggle for your Yunzii keyboard. Most likely you will be able to see it at the top of this spot right here. You could just make sure to switch the buttons, making sure that it's selected on Bluetooth, not on the 2.4 gigahertz. Now right after, let's go ahead and follow the steps that we have prepared. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to press the function button, and while you're at it, you could also hold QWE or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds to enter the pairing mode until the light flashes. And then of course onto your computer, you can just open up Bluetooth and then locate to this specific name right here, which is the Yunzii specific model name in your Bluetooth connection. So the FN key is going to be this specific button. Just press on it for 3 seconds. Press on Q. If it did not work, press W, press E. And if all of this didn't work, you then want to press 1, 2, or 3. Of course, there's multiple ways on different models out there, but you could just go ahead and try this. And basically from there, you will be able to pair your keyboard. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.